Okay, 5-way selector. Going to go through the sounds. I won't stop each time and talk. So basically it'll just be the P90, then the P90 and the humbucker, but the humbucker is split and it is in parallel. Then the position 3 is the same, but it's in series. So you'll notice it might just get a little bit fuller and more wholesome, but still both pickups. Then position 4 is the humbucker split. So just a single coil on the neck. And then the last position, number 5, is the full humbucker. So I'll just play something and see how we go. Okay, starting on the P90. Then the second position. Okay, position 3. Humbucker split. And then the full humbucker. And then a little bit of gain on the P90, which sounds best, I think.